Order 21114 for Jesse all the way in Illinois. They ordered 2 packs of candy sticks, 4 roll-on candies, 2 slaps assorted, 1 bag of jelly fruits, 1 bag of the Fun gummy mix, 3 of the Sugarolly cotton candies, 2 of the Pooplets, Aftershocks watermelon and blue raspberry, 3 of the Cocoa Splash and Lick candies, 2 of the Harry Potter Magical Chews, 1 Candy Me Up drawstring bag, 2 gummy unicorns, 2 gummy donuts, toxic waste smog balls, and the large mystery box. Now let's go pack.
Pack a slime order together. This order is for Bree from California, and they ordered 11 slimes from our last Friday's restock. They ordered French macaron, gold bar, brownie sundae kit, chewy peanut butter cookies, frozen lemonade, pastel marshmallow ice cream, the Charlie, feta pasta, mocha cookie crumble frappuccino, Snoop Charms milk, and finally mint chip ice cream. I first grabbed all the slimes from the shelf and bubble wrapped them individually to ensure protection during shipping. For this order, I grabbed a medium box and put all the slimes inside. Then I added 2 slime care sheets and 2 cute squishies as extras for their order. Finally, I taped the box shut and it was ready to be shipped. Thank you for purchasing, Bree!